Welcome, in front of me is a BLACKVIEW A200 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once that's the case for you, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound along with the pop-up right here with the ability to capture a long screenshot and share, and after a moment it will disappear. So once it does disappear, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application. From here you will navigate to Library and Screenshots, and here's the screenshot that I've captured. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.